Hey guys, it's Avery from the SWAT team, and in this video I will be showing you the benefits to using Google Sheets in Safari as opposed to going through the app. So to start, I'm just going to open Google Sheets, and as you can see I have my chemistry labs open, and right now I have clicked on my graph, and the only option to edit is by clicking right here. So whenever I click that little pencil button, my only options that I have to edit it are here. I can change the type, I can change the legend, titles, and color, but I can't really customize the graph or any of the numbers, which is why using it in Safari is a much better option. So now I'm just going to open Safari, and I already have the same graph open. Now whenever I click on my graph, I have these three little dots pop up, so I'm going to click there and then click Edit Chart. And as you can tell, there's a whole lot more options. I can customize the style, the axis titles, series legends, and many other things, which will allow you, whenever you click series, to add a trend line, which is just the blue line that runs across. You can see where your data falls, and it's like a line of best fit. So I hope you learned something today, and hopefully you will start using Sheets in Safari. Thanks for watching.